You go put your nose under.
Go ahead. Ooh.
Good job! Can I show you how I jump? Yeah.
Robbie, are you gonna jump now?
He did jump in. Why can't you jump in? I got the camera wet.
I know.
No, it's my turn. No, you jump in. It's my turn. It's my turn, Mommy. No, now we get 2 turns.
Okay, we get 2 turns.
No, it's Emmy's turn. It's Emmy's turn.
Yeah, I don't need to. It's okay. Alright, go ahead, Robbo.
Okay.
Is that it? Alright, Kennedy's turn.
And then it's mine. Go, Kennedy. Where do you want me to go? Where do you watch me?
Wait over there and watch her.
Okay. I'm watching. Ready, Mommy?
Yeah, I'm ready. Wow.
I just want to move out of the way.
Do it again, Haley.
What?
Do it one more time, and once you jump in, I'll go under. Hold on. Okay.